The Nigerian government will need to be deliberate in addressing the challenge of poor communication and ensuring that all aspects of its policies actions benefit Nigerians and its economy to avoid failure. The submission was made at the conference which brought together Nigerian economics in Abuja, Nigeria.
In November 2022, Nigeria launched its new Naira banknotes. What was a policy in line with global practice, however, brought negative economic implications, untold hardship, and was rejected.
And I believe
At this conference by the Institute of Chartered Economists of Nigeria, the speakers in their separate presentations noted that the pattern of poor process in the redesigned Naira notes is being seen again with the fair subsidy remover, thus straining Nigeria's fragile economy.
Existing Naira notes being phased out over a short period without commensurate supply of the new Naira notes made things extremely difficult for households and businesses. Have we as a nation learnt from the 2022/2023 Naira redesign drama?
as bold and pragmatic the removal may have been, the Tinubu government came short of recognized global practices.
The speakers and the Director General of the Institute of Chartered Economists, Professor Christopher Balogun, while backing subsidy removal, agree that it is not late for the Tinubu administration to take corrective measures that will tackle the spike in cost of food, transportation, and inflation generally.
Because we have a lot of IC members in their offices, in their various establishments. And I believe as we start with the first paper now, get ready for the second paper and the third paper, we will all live here rejoicing.
The government needs to sit down and take this economy and break it down and produce a subsidy implementation program for the next 10, 15, 20 years.
This conference presents a unique opportunity for all of us to engage in meaningful discussion, brainstorming, and collaborate on innovative solutions.
Other fellows and new members of the Institute promise to provide needed advice and ideas to assist in tackling the economic problems of the nation.
And so ICEN now is in a strategic position to engage government through our partners to ensure that we can work with government to do proper efficiency, subsidy removal allocation.
We have a missing link. There are pondering questions. There are no perfect policies, and we know. But then again, who gets what and how is a basic question of economists.
While planning for the short-term effect, on how to combat the short-term effect, they should equally plan on how to maybe utilize whatever that is the gain of those of the subsidy remover.
What the government needs to do now to alleviate the effect is to go back to the drawing board and make Nigeria an industrialized country, preparing our various refineries so as to help us utilize all that comes or will come out of the natural resources of crude.
Government at all levels was also advised to conduct well-designed communication campaign that carry the citizens along on any other planned policy reform for greater impact.
And that's it on Business News. I am Mwesi Ikono.
Well, repair of our refineries echoed again in that workshop.